So, I just did a little video showing that some of the videos on YouTube for the Fiat 500 are junk with doing the valve cover gasket or taking off the valve cover. Another one that's junk, getting to that, that's where you can fill up the automatic transmission on these, is this guy right there, not that one, it's this one. The video showing removing the battery, the thing, the tray, the computer. You don't need to do that. You don't. You just need like a 2-foot extension, or a couple extensions on top of each other, and a T55 magnetic Torx bit. I would use the magnetic one because it's gonna be a pain in the butt if you lose that down there. And you just go in with a swivel bit, right here. Right? You just go in. It's not that big of a deal. Here, I'll show you. I don't have a 2-foot extension, but what I do have is 4 of these, and it will reach it. If you just kind of go in from this angle right there, you can get to it. It's kind of hard to do with one hand and not the flashlight in the other, but you do not need to remove all this. You can just go in from like right here, from like this angle. It's not that complicated. You don't need to remove all that. Yeah, I don't know why the only videos on this car that exist on YouTube are these overcomplicated nonsense tutorials. You do not need to do all that.